Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm your assistant teacher Zaheer Shah from Girls Higher Secondary Kupara. So we are discussing the first chapter, resource and development, and today's important topic is soil as a resource. So before discussing the various characteristics and features of soil, let us discuss this definition of a soil. Soil is a mixture of organic matter that supports life. Soil, it is the most important renewable रिसोर्स. आपको पता है कि जो हमने रिसोर्स की डेफिनेशन पढ़ी है उसमें हमने ये डिस्कस किया है कि एनीथिंग विच सेटिस्फाई आवर नीड इज़ ए रिसोर्स. Soil also satisfy our diverse needs. So therefore soil is also a resource, and that a most important renewable resource. It is a medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms on earth. You know, students, soil is very important for plant growth and supports various other living organisms. You have never heard or seen the plant grows in air or a plant grows on a rock. It's the beauty of the soil that it allows plants to grow. It's a living system. It takes millions of years to form a few centimeters. So अगर हम सॉइल को देखेंगे इसमें हज़ारों साल लगते हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स लगते हैं एक सेंटीमीटर बनने में, लेकिन अगर हम चाहेंगे तो हम कुछ सेकंड्स में ही इस लायर को बर्बाद कर सकते हैं. Now students, let's take the factors of soil formation. What are the various factors of soil formation? We have various factors like relief or physical features we can say. We have parent rock and bedrock. We have climate, vegetation. Vegetation means all the plants, that's from small to big trees, and time. So time is also important. Also various forces of nature such as change in temperature, actions of running water, wind, glaciers, and activities of decomposers that also contribute in soil formation. Chemical and organic changes which take place in the soil are important. It consists of organic humus and inorganic materials. Now what is humus? Humus is a dark brown or black organic substance made of decayed plants or animal matter. Now so far as inorganic matter is concerned, it consists of rocks, silt, clay, etc. Now let's take the functions of soil. Now what is the importance or what is the functions of soil for us? It acts as a medium of plant growth. So we have also already discussed it, that all the plants, whether it's small plant or a big tree, it acts as a medium for their growth. So plant grows in the soil. So it's the first function. It acts as a medium. Number second function is it's a means of water storage. It stores water, it supplies us water, and it purifies our water. So it is a means of water storage, supply, and purification. It acts as a modifier of Earth's atmosphere. So it modifies our atmosphere. So it has very important fact on the surroundings. Soil decides the atmosphere. So therefore it is modifier of Earth's atmosphere. It acts as a habitat or living or dwelling place. A habitat is a living or dwelling place for organisms, small organisms, big organisms. So it acts as a habitat for organisms. So now we will take another important concept of the soil, that is soil profile. So what is soil profile? A vertical section cutting through the soil showing the different layers of soil is called a soil profile. So here I will show you the soil profile. So is a vertical section is cutting through a soil, showing the different layers of the soil. So a soil profile, you see, is divided into layers: topsoil, subsoil, substratum, or we can say parent rock. These whole layers are known as horizon. इसको हम horizon भी कहते हैं. So let us take the examples of soil profile. You can see the soil profile when we are looking at a site of recently dug trench, or when we are digging a well or laying foundation of a building. So when we go upper to lower surface of the soil vertically, so that vertical section is called a soil profile. So now let us discuss the different layers of soil. So we have three different layers of soil. Number one is topsoil, number second is subsoil, and number third is substratum or parent rock or topsoil. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. It is most useful part. It is dark in color because it is rich in minerals and humus. Plant roots grow in it. That's topsoil. Living things like insects, worms, bacteria, and rodents live in it. It contains the decayed remains of dead plants and animals which form humus. Humus makes it fertile. So topsoil, very useful layer of the soil. It has so many minerals. It is rich in humus, dead decaying matter of plant and animals. It is a habitat of various living things like bacteria, rodents, worms, and insects. Now the second layer, that is the subsoil. So subsoil, the layer just below the topsoil, is called subsoil. Subsoil, it lies below the topsoil, is called subsoil. It is lighter in color with little humus. So it is not so bright colored. It has a light color, but it contains little humus. It is made of slightly bigger rock particles, which make it little harder and more compact. It contains very little living organisms. Now, number third is substratum. Or substratum, we have two types. Substratum has a, we can we can say substratum has is also called a parent rock. So we have weathered parent rock material and unweathered parent rock material. So type of the soil is substratum. The layer of soil just below the subsoil is called as substratum. It consists of partly broken weathered rocks. These rocks keep breaking from the bedrock, which is just below the substratum. Now, there are various important climatic factors like wind, rain, temperature, which affect the soil profile and bring changes in the soil. So, dear students, this was the brief introduction of soil as a profile, as a resource, and soil profile. So, after this we will discuss the classification of various soils in the next video lecture. Thank you.